regarding last point regarding framing of fares, the formula. In the formula of fare fixing, unfair means are complaint or suspected. I have reached a situation many a times that two times or even three times the normal fare is being charged. Are you agree to accept for one particular app? It has been times that I stopped that particular app and shifted to another particular app, service app, and found that only two times it is charged instead of three times. That means it is not always the fault that the particular app is trying to gain high, but it may so happen that the particular app may not have enough this thing or available or to be placed for consideration of right, whereas the other has plenty in comparison to that, and therefore the extra charging is less. So I would request a system, a central system, to see that whenever there is more than one time charging, allowed to 1.5 times at the most or so, to be determined by the administration, but when there is more than one times of the charge, this automatically goes to a centralized allocation program, scheduling program or application, which sends the same data of take on and take off to another application service holder. Say I applied through Uber, but it consults the Ola as well as this thing for evaluation. In that case, this is the very last step. We should not first phase. This is the last phase application. Let all these things be done, then this can be applied. So this is a very this is a very sophisticated suggestion. So in that case, what happens that the centralized system monitors whenever there is more than one times, and in that case, it says that it has a Goti Dhara in doing so. That is the third application service provider, which is serving one time the fare, the actual fare. Now that there is a fixed formula for every service provider, this serves the actual fare because of more availability of this thing over there. It should automatically schedule the travel to the third application provider. But then this third application provider has no registration of the rider requesting the ride. Therefore, it is to be seen. So some methods to be discussed and developed. It's just an idea, preliminary stage, that although to say that there should be a centralized service provider application which should have separate service providers. That means I am not going to have an application and a wallet for Ola, for Paytm, for Rapido, for Goti Dhara, for another one to come. No. There is one centralized app-based taxi providing service, registered everything, that has under it Ola this, Ola this. It finds alerts the duty of charging on each of them. Whoever charges less is assigned, considering that elapsed time, rate of approach and duration of approach and things like that. So this can be a latest model, a very sophisticated model. But let's go to the first all these videos previously, and then this can be developed in later course of time. And so in that case, these things will help. Another point is that uh, another point is that there should be a little bit of bus service also available. I mean to say that very school bus type, mini bus type, that is for a bus type service for a club to go for a outing. I mean, this is a very rare case. I mean, very rare case. Okay, but maybe if it happens, then that will be facilitated. Okay, regarding another suggestion of me is that in application app-based taxis, it is only cars and SUVs and maybe autos and bikes and things are there. But then it should be seen that there are also higher vehicles, higher vehicles, higher no, higher vehicles that can be booked, not as per kilometer or as per trip or on regular basis. I mean, there should be a requirement placement of say 24 hours prior. Suppose in my case, I need to transfer the AC or the fridge from my this house to that house, that apartment, or get it sold. Then I have to carry it. Then or just I need to shift some furniture or things like that. Then I have to hire a Tata 407 or a Matador or a things like that, Tempo or even a lorry also. So the database of the higher higher vehicles, hired vehicles, public vehicles, goods vehicles rather, good vehicles. Sorry, good vehicles should be also kept in the app-based service providers. They are not only taxis now or bikes now, autos now or SUVs now. This is to be kept over there also. Therefore, whenever needed, I can happily book, send an this thing from this destination to that destination so many times with just as the load should be normal load. I mean, things like that, whatever specifications that is to be determined, I don't know. I have never been into such situation over there. And say 24 or 48 hours, the personnel of that database, of that service provider, that is the executive assigned for this, will personally look into the database and get the thing assigned. Goods vehicle assigned, public vehicle assigned, and things has to carry on. But then this can never be done on trade basis, but only on personal basis. This might come helpful at a fewer point of time of shifting and things like that. It might come helpful. Fourth point is that every app-based taxi provider has to and have to keep a fleet-based service. A fleet-based service means there should be running at least 2 cars, SUV one, small one, both SUVs, both small, but not a two-wheeler and a four-wheeler. Two-wheeler, I mean, it will be costly and impractical. Therefore, what I said, 2 cars to a maximum of say 4 cars that can be hired as a group for a group outing or official purpose also. Commercial purpose, official, I mean not commercial, for official purpose also. This has to fleet together. Therefore, when they're in a fleet or a group or a fleet, they have to have that button of the app raised such that window is to appear on pressing a button that car A, car B, car C, car D. There are maximum 4 numbers as a cascade, as a window, as a tiles. This thing concept of Windows 98, Microsoft Windows tiles concept. 4 segments. This is there. This is there. So they will not tell you the location on the path. They will tell you how far you are from fleet in the fleet. That is, my car is B in the middle, is far so much from A above, from C above, not in a window, sorry, in a different multicolor denomination, is from A above, which has already turned the left side as per the route, from B, C below, behind, which is still to turn right as per the route, where me be in the middle of the 3 cars in the fleet, or maximum 4 cars, but at least 2. So these can be seen so that they can be also prompted, say car, the anchor on the car A be pressed that please wait for me. Car C, hey, come on, hurry up, falling behind. Or rather, I'm waiting for you. A, please wait for me. C, I'm waiting for you. Come to B, moves B and C to A. Yes, we are on the nearby. Start moving. I can see you. Start moving. In case they fall apart due to closing of electric, railway gates, log gates, or whatever it's called, and traffics and so that there is a group type traveling also, personal or this thing. Now for outstation, there can be 1 day back, there can be 2 days back, maximum 7 days back, family or with family, 1 car or in a fleet. Then certain things has to be taken legal care of. The drivers has to be given proper accommodation in a dormitory. May or may not be AC, but dormitory. Proper accommodation. Okay. Not in this dhabas and roadside ones to he should be given the same status, same comfortability, not the status, same comfortability. Next video.